let's learn how to save Instagram photos and videos to gallery. Before we start, I want to let you know that this tutorial shows you how to save only yours photos, not from some random video that you found and want to download. This works both on Android and iOS devices, and it's very easy, just follow my steps. So let's now start by opening your Instagram application. Once you are there from starting page, go to your profile screen. When you did that search and tap on 3 horizontal lines, they are on top right corner of your screen. This will instantly open a new page, which is Settings and Privacy. So from here, scroll down until you find your App and Media section. You will see few options there, but we are interested only in archiving and downloading, so tap it, and this will lead you to a new screen. After that, you will see that you have many options to choose. How do you want to save your photo and other stuff? To enable it, just click on button near option you want to enable, and from now, every photo will save in your gallery. Keep in mind that there are some limitations for this. If you add some stickers, filters and music to your photos or videos, Instagram will save the raw video you took, so filters, stickers, and other stuff you added after taking the photo or video won't be applied and you are finished. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.